YouTube, what up? What it do? You know me, I go by Two, and I'm back with another vid, man. Shout out to everybody rocking with me, man. I appreciate all the support, the comments. I'm gonna keep these videos coming. Just appreciate, the support, man. Like, I'm really get some support on this channel. And I'll just thank y'all for it, man. I'm just, means a lot to me, man. Y'all helping me out by watching my videos. Y'all helping me out. All right. I was just thinking today. Y'all know how I am. When I get to thinking, things get to coming. Pause. Don't, pause. But, I was just thinking about credit. All my timeline, everywhere I go, people, fix your credit. I can fix your credit. I can take this off your credit. I can do this. I can do that. And I'm like, blah, 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 blah. 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 I don't want to hear nothing about no, you can do this and that for my credit. I don't care. See, credit cards is, how can I say this? Credit cards, when you got a credit card, young people out there, you got a credit card. And I had to learn this. You got a credit card, they give you a limit, set amount of limit. Just say like 5,000. You got 5,000. Young. This how they really win. If you ain't taught these things as a kid, as a teenager, to watch how you use your credit card, they gonna enslave you. Matter of fact, credit cards, to me, my opinion only, I know everybody got their opinions, to Jordan opinion, they're meant to enslave you financially wise if you don't make the right choices. Even if you do make the right choices. But what I'm saying is that, like, if you ain't teaching your kids, your son, your daughters, even your niece and nephew, or whatever, you're not teaching them about credit, they will be enslaved to the credit card because let's go back to 5,000. They got a 5,000 credit limit. They thinking, I got 5,000 on credit limit. Ooh, I'm finna go get these J's. I'm finna go get this. I'm finna go get that. Not knowing that you got to pay that back. Let me go back. I'm finna go get this. I'm finna go get that. Not knowing you got to pay that back. Not understanding that is not your money. You're borrowing the money. It's a bar like, here, get this to you. See how you do with this. And if you do good with this, we'll boost you up and we'll give you a higher credit limit. See, my thing is, if you're not putting this in your kids' head, they're not understanding when they first get their credit card, understand it's really for emergencies, then they're gonna put themselves in debt at an early age. They're gonna put themselves in debt. And if you don't pay that credit card off, they're going to be on there for a long time. After 7 years, it's still going to have some debt collectors thinking that you slow, and they're going to still try to put it on your credit. People say credit is important. I say at a certain extent. Because if you got millions of dollars or you just got six figures, you only need credit to get like a house, a car, stuff like that. Or, to get approved for stuff. See, some of these people on the internet, they tell y'all, get you do these credit hacks and go to Navy Federal. Go here, you get this loan. Yeah, you can get these loans, yeah. And start your business. What they ain't telling you is that if that business failed and you go get that 100K credit line, you know dang well you ain't making that type of money to pay off 100K. Now, if that, and most business fail. Now, if your business look at my hands, cause this how you gonna look at my hands, cause this how you gonna be big. This how you gonna be. If that business fail, you're gonna be like this. God, please. I didn't know what I was. I didn't know what I was doing. I was listening to this dude. He said this and that. This how your hands gonna be. Do not get no credit. Do not get no loan through your credit if you can't pay back. I can see like look 10,000, whatever you could pay back. I'm not giving you no advice. I'm just telling you. I ain't no financial advice. I'm just telling you. I wouldn't get no credit line or whatever like that if I know that I can't pay it back. I don't deal with credit, to be honest. Like, I only use credit for, like I said, car, house, stuff like that. You know, get approved, all that. It's everywhere, man. It's really, they know most people gonna do what they gonna do with credit, and a lot of people gonna F up. So that's why you be like yesterday, Mother's Day. You be trying to get your mama some perfume and Macy's. Oh, you want to sign up for your rewards? You want to sign up for this credit card? You better say no. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. Anywhere you go, they trying to get you to sign up for credit. Oh, you want to sign up for this? No, I don't want to sign up for nothing. Ain't nothing wrong with you saying no. I don't want to sign up for nothing at all. You know, you go to the doctor, you go to the doctor's hospital. You go to we got St. Francis. I don't know y'all doctor's hospital, but we go to doctor's emergency room. They don't do nothing but give you little medicine. Next thing you know, you get a bill for $500. I'm like, what? They just gave me a couple minutes. I could have got that from CVS. It's crazy. And if you don't pay it, they're going to send you some warning now. That's what I'm going to say. They're going to send you some warning. Hey, Mr. Jordan, you keep ignoring that. This thing you know, slap, we're going to be on your credit. Your credit going to be from here to down here. It's crazy. So what I'm saying with the kids, teach your kids. Watch how you spend credit. You may have a successful business, but it's a risk with anything. Teach your kids. Watch how you use your credit card. This ain't for that. This not free money. A lot of people getting confused with, this is free money. This is free money. I just got a $30K loan. Like, you got to pay that back. When you sign your name on that, you signing your life away. It's just like being a rapper. Just like being an actor. When you sign your name on that contract, you're signing your life away. That's why you got to make sure this is the contract that you want. Because if you don't, you're going to be enslaved to that loan, that credit card. And some of y'all got multiple credit cards. And y'all know, multiple credit cards is multiple debt. You get to the point where you just be, I'll just swipe. Just use my credit card here. Swipe. Next thing you know, you done swipe so much, you forgot that you done swipe so much that how much you gonna be paying back. Now you got some smart people out here that pay their bills and all that with their credit, and then they at the end of the month they pay it back. Now that's smart. We talking about majority of people that's I'm finna ball out. I'm finna go take a trip to Africa, Europe, all these places, and guess what? You're putting yourself in debt. So this video is about, do not put yourself in debt that you can't pay back. We all put ourselves in debt sometimes. You got emergency, things happen. But watch how you use your credit card. Now, you're going to have some people in the comments, he don't know what you're talking about. Like, them the people that are going to be telling you goofiness because they want you to mess up. Like, a lot of these people be some real bots. Be careful with the credit card. Because to me, it's there to really enslave you financially wise. I'm going to say it again. It's there to enslave you financially wise. That's why when you're trying to get stuff, they gotta look at your credit. They want to see how if you reliable to pay on stuff. They want to see all that stuff. And then if you ain't reliable to man. And another thing, don't mess your credit. I'm trying to tell you, don't mess your credit up. Do not mess your credit up. You ain't gonna be able to do nothing in life if you mess your credit up. You can have all the money in the world, but if you mess that credit up, you gonna be paying more. You still get passed. You got money, you can get passed, but get evicted or something like that. I've heard plenty of people that got evicted, man, and that be on your credit. Being evicted ain't no joke. You get that on your credit, man, you ain't gonna be able to go nowhere. You ain't gonna be able to get no crib like that. It's gonna be hard. When people see that evicted on your credit, they like, oh no, we can't do this. No, we can't do this. You be like, what you mean? I got the money to pay. Sir, your credit say evicted. Did. So all y'all to be doing is swiping. Alright, you keep putting that little chip on that part where they say just tap it. That's how they get you. I'm telling you, that's how they get you. Now they got you where you get your credit card. You can just, we can make it more easy for them. Now you just tap it. Won't tap. You just be tapping. Tap dancing. Like, tell y'all, man. Make great choices when it comes to your credit, man, because your credit is very important. Try to live. You got credit cards, try to pay your credit card, limits down. Try to keep them down. Stay way below 30%. Only do 30%. Be like 10%. Because a good thing about credit cards, because you may need it. You never know. That's what it's really for. You may need it, but they know a lot of people going to say, "Oh, this free money," but you may need it in emergency. Something may happen to your debit card. You got your credit card. You can just swipe it and take care of handle business. So stuff like that. This video is about don't put yourself in debt. Don't allow your kids to put themselves in debt. Tell you, man, be honest with your kids. Just be like, this what happened to me. This what happened to daddy. This what happened to mama. For what you went through, being in debt can cause your kids to really be millionaires and learn from their parents' mistakes. So this is the dark truth about credit. Yes, credit is good for you. Yes, you need credit, but credit also could be a nightmare, and it also could put you in so much debt that you can't even sleep. You just have a nightmare. I paid my credit. I got credit.